Hi guys, this is Shannon from House Improvements. Hi guys, this is Shannon from houseimprovements.com, and today is day 2 on our bath reno vlog. So you can see not a whole lot has changed since last night when I toured you through. I did a little more cleaning up and that was about it. Today's plan is to pull this tub, get ready for some plumbing changes. I've got to still remove this closet framing because the closet's going away and there's some drywall still back in there. Deal with the carpet that's in the closet, those sorts of things. There's going to be a few other things I was going to sort of sit down and plan out now that I can see all the framing and that, but we ran into one little snag last night. I realized that there's a whole bunch of other rooms and the fridge and things like that running off of this kitchen circuit as well. So not only is this box super overloaded, but we need to have the bathroom on its own circuit. So I've got to do a fair bit more electrical. We're gonna have to change the permit, and that may take up a good chunk of my day. So looks like mostly a lot of electrical today, but we'll check in a little later and see what I did do and where we're sitting. Bye for now. Well, that's been a long day. What is this, day 2? About 14 hours, I think, today. 13 hours. Had a few issues, but basically we got everything finally stripped right out. And I just got some insulation laid in the ceiling, temporary, just for the night, because I've had enough. And it was a long enough day. I've just wanted to keep some of the heat in tonight, so I threw some insulation across the top of the rafters. And yeah, anyways, day 2 was a long one. Day 3 isn't looking like it's going to shape up any better, so let's see what the morning brings.